Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 most highly rated global Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, up to 80 tradable instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers webinars, ebooks, and a collection of educational videos for you to browse through as you please. At number 4 on the list, we have Markets.com. Markets.com is a globally recognized and fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature Classic, Premium, Professional, and GSL accounts with over 2,000 tradable assets, negative account balance protection, and a variety of available regions for you to trade from. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the MarketsX and MarketsEye platforms, as well as MetaTrader 4 and 5, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Markets.com also feature their very own Knowledge Center, which covers market analysis and news, FAQs, and a financial live streaming service for you to gain any additional education you might be looking for. At number 3 on the list, we have FBS. FBS is another internationally recognized, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, CFDs, and stocks. Their accounts feature Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, and ECN accounts with lower spreads, leverage, up to 200 maximum positions, and more. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader, as well as MetaTrader 4 and 5, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FBS also provides their very own educational panel, which covers beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced educational guides for you to browse through as you please. At number 2, we have Just Forex. Just Forex is a globally recognized, fully regulated broker that, just as the name sounds, specializes in trading solely through the foreign exchange. Their accounts feature Standard, Pro, and Raw Spread accounts with up to 10 tradable currency pairs, lower spreads, and leverage. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Just Forex also provides their very own educational center, which features online market news and analytics, webinars, and educational videos for you to find any educational information you might be looking for. And last but not least, at number 1 on the list, we have AvaTrade. AvaTrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and AvaTrade's Web Trader, as well as AvaTrade Options and AvaTrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. AvaTrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos for you to take a look at as you please. AvaTrade have also won multiple awards such as #1 Broker, Most Innovative CFD Broker, Best Affiliate Program, and many others, making AvaTrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 highest rated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which financial broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.